In this video I'm going to show you how you can simply recover deleted Instagram posts in 2022. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile. Tap on the profile icon that is at the right lower corner of your screen. Now I will delete one post to show you how it works. If you go into Settings, deleted post option will not be available there. This is because Instagram is like regularly changing or making new options. They always change positions from one option to another. In the Instagram app version that I am right now, which is the latest, I will show you where the option is. Click on three lines at top right. Go into your activity. And here you can find that recently deleted. If I click on it, it will show the post that I deleted before. Click on it. Click on three dots on top right. And click Restore. As you can see, the post that I deleted before is back again.